G'day folks, and welcome to the Frustrated Dropshipper. In this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of the Powered by Shopify text and link that appear on the bottom of your store. So if you've launched your store, if you're in the process of launching, you've probably noticed that on the very bottom you have the link to your store, which adds just a little bit of backlinking to your existing store, as well as the Powered by Shopify text and link back to Shopify store. So most store owners would like to remove this. There's various reasons to remove it. One of the main reasons that I do it, because I am drop shipping, I don't want competitors searching Powered by Shopify in Google and coming across my store and then promoting the same products that I am. So I like to remove that to try to reduce the number of people who see my store, so that less competition. So it's very easy to actually remove that from your store. All you have to do is go into your admin, go down to online store, then go over to action here on the right and click on edit languages. Under edit languages, under the search translations, go ahead and type in Powered by Shopify. And then under Shopify, just go ahead and right here it'll show like this, Powered by Shopify. Go in, type in anything at all. You can just put in a space, you can put in a period, anything to get rid of it. You can say, just say you're like, if you look at the beginning here, let me see, this is Powered by Shopify. Maybe you can, well, sorry, it says Frustrated Dropshipper. If this was my store, I could also say great products at low prices. I haven't tried this. I usually just put a space in, but this probably should work as well. So you basically go under the Powered by Shopify, you go ahead and remove that and put in something else. So if I put in great products at low prices, I'm not sure if this links back to Shopify. I'll find out in a second. It's a bit of a learning process, but what I usually do is just put a space in and then save it. So we'll try this first and see. So I saved the great products at great prices, and let's see what we have here. We have nothing. Interesting. Did it save? Weird. Let's try this again. Great products at great prices. Save. Maybe they don't allow you to do that. Refresh. Go down to the bottom. There you go. Okay, so no, I don't recommend doing that because it actually will link back to Shopify, and that doesn't make sense. So in that case, the only real option you have is to take it out, put a space in, click save, refresh. I refresh because when you do this, it usually refreshes it from the server rather than bringing the cache up from your computer. And there we go. So as you can see now, there is no link, there is no Shopify link, there is no Powered by Shopify on the bottom of this page, just your store name, your company name, and that's it. So that's it. That's all you have to do. So I was hoping you could type something else in there, but you can't. In either case, all you have to do is go to your admin page, click on online store, click on the actions button, click on edit translations, type in Powered by Shopify. Under the Powered by Shopify section, remove what's there and put in a space, save your work, refresh your page. Make sure you refresh. I like using this because it pulls from the server most times rather than the cache on your computer. But if you want to do it from your computer, I think it's Shift F5 or Control F5, and that'll refresh by pulling it from the server rather than the cache on your computer. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel if you like this type of content. This is a drop shipping channel, but I plan on releasing a lot of Shopify content because I know a lot of drop shippers are using Shopify, and I'm using Shopify for all of mine. So I do plan on releasing a lot of Shopify related content, but I will be adding in more dropshipping stuff, as well as business and self-help and anything else that I think is useful for anyone that's running a dropshipping business. So love to hear from you. Have a great night, and I'll see you later.